and I live in Jaipur, Rajasthan. So my purpose in making this video is to tell you about a mission going on in our nation known as Crime Free Bharat. It's an independent initiative started by Honorable IPS Mr. Maithili Sharan Gupta sir, former Director of General Police of Madhya Pradesh, and I am currently a part of this mission in Forensics and Investigation Department as an intern. So, from the name of this mission, you can easily understand what's the main motto behind this. Like reduction of crimes, some crimes can be eliminated, some can be reduced or controlled. So, this mission is important because a peaceful society builds a strong nation, and this is why I have also joined this mission, because I always wanted to serve my country through my skills, and every citizen of India wants a crime free Bharat and crime free nation, isn't it? So there are several sectors targeted in this mission, like corruption free Bharat, disaster resilient Bharat, narcotic free Bharat, and so on. So this is my appeal to whole nation, to everyone, to every citizen of this country, to take a step and join this mission to change the face and fate of the country. Jai Hind.